this is James again from the one and only James, and today we're going to be making banana pudding. Okay, so first step, we gotta make the pudding. So we're going to get our handy dandy measuring cup and find where it says 2 cups. Here we are, right here, 2 cups. Now we're gonna get our milk and we are going to pour it until it reaches the line of 2 cups. Okay, that is 2 cups of milk. It's a lot of milk. Let's pour it into the pot. Okay, now the pudding thing. This is vanilla pudding. It's in a little packet. Okay, here it is. Open it over the bowl because I don't want any coming out. In the pudding goes. Okay, this is trash. Thing cap on the milk. Now, let's stir it up. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir. Until all of those little chunks of orange powder go away. And now, we're gonna head over to the stove. This is heavy. Okay, let's turn on the stove. We're gonna put it to almost high, about right there. And then we wait. Going to stir this mixture combination thing, pudding, whatever you want to call it, until it meets a boil. So I'll check back in with you once we're at that state of the pudding. So this pudding is at a boil. Now I'm going to set that there for a second. I'm going to grab this here bowl right here, and I'm going to pour this pudding that we just stirred into this bowl, and we're gonna chill it for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then we're gonna get it out, and then we're gonna start layering it. So I'll see you once we start layering it. Now I'm gonna start. So the pudding is still chilling in the refrigerator. Now we've got our vanilla wafers, and we're gonna start laying them on the bottom of the pan. So, or the dish, whatever you want to call it. But so we're gonna have 4 layers. So first we're gonna have the vanilla wafers, and we're gonna have some bananas, the pudding, and then some more vanilla wafers. So so I'm just gonna keep layering. Hopefully we're gonna have 4 rows of 4 cookies. So we still want to have enough for the top and also have enough for me to eat at the end. Okay, so I just finished the 3rd row of 4 cookies. And this is a final row. Just straighten these out a little bit so I have room for the fourth. And whoop bam! I have finished. I actually decided to add one more, so let's kind of scooch these up a little bit and then scooch them to the side so I can add one more in the middle and hopefully one more row down here so it's totally filled with cookies. Let's go a few right here. So this is actually going to be 25 cookies now. Okay, 25. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more in these cracks right here. Because you go big or go home. Add a lot of cookies or add no cookies. Lots and lots of cookies. Hi again. Now like I said in the last part, the pudding is still cooking. So now we got the bananas and we're going to slice them into little slices and they're going to go on top of the cookies we made just a second ago. So first let me cut the sides off because I don't think anybody likes eating the edges of a banana. So let's throw these away. And now I'm going to cut them into tiny, thin slices. Just keep cutting, cutting. So this is 3 bananas right here. And now we're going to be layering them on top of these vanilla wafers. So let's place them just right on top. Just like this. Now let me put this one right here because it was a little thicker. This is a lot of bananas, so it's gonna take a while. Okay, finally the pudding is ready. It's pudding. Now I'm gonna scoop it and put it and just drizzle it on top. Plop. 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 And keep going and going and going. Pour all the pudding on top of here. I'm spreading it out so it's flat. And we can put vanilla wafers on here now. Delish. I'm gonna save that spoon. Let's place. This one now we're gonna be doing the 4x4. This one. Okay, just keep on placing these vanilla wafers. It looks so good. I can eat it right now. So delicious. Looks so good. I must eat this right now. This looks so delicious. Okay, so now I'm gonna be scooping myself some of this delicious delicious banana pudding. I'm gonna take a spot right over here in the corner. Gonna put it right there. Now I'm gonna get this up. This does not come out very pretty on the, but it comes out pretty on the plate, but not out on the side. I'm gonna put this here for now. Now we have the Ready Whip. Make this up a little bit. Let's place it right on the top right here. Wow. Now, time to eat this scrumptious piece of artwork. So delicious. I shouldn't be talking with my mouth full. It is so good. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. And hope you like this video, because I know I did, because I get to enjoy it at the end.